Hello, we are from the House of Solutions channel, and we already have a playlist of supplements that help health, and today we will talk about Ocuprime, another supplement that benefits your eye health in a healthy way. We prepared this complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Ocuprime. Throughout the video you will find out everything that is really important, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing Ocuprime. The first thing you need to know about Ocuprime is, it is a differential supplement and acts in a very innovative way, without harming your health. Also be aware of the site of purchase. Be very careful with the site that you will buy Ocuprime, because it is only sold on the official site, and to help you, I left the official site link below in the video description and in the comments. This supplement is natural, has no stimulants, and is not transgenic. Its formula is natural, which help maintain the health of your eyes and your vision. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Ocuprime. You can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is, but if I don't see results and don't like the product? Is there a guarantee? Yes, there is. A very good guarantee for 60 full days from your purchase. If you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they refund your money. So be safe to use Ocuprime, but make sure you are buying from the official site to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. For this, the link is already available in the video description and in the comments. Also, for Ocuprime to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, otherwise you won't see great results and you'll really get a bit frustrated. Each capsule is manufactured in the USA and GMP certified under strict and precise standards, so rest assured Ocuprime is safe from its 100% natural formula and manufacturing. You can see the initial results when your body adapts to the new nutrients, in this case the supplement. So, I decided to record this video because there is a demand in the market for supplements for eye health and your vision that truly help the health. After many deep searches we discovered this supplement and decided to record this video review. We want you to have a good health and healthy way. Do not forget the site that you will buy Ocuprime has to be the official, which is already here in the description, and if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, and you should take it seriously. We at the House of Solutions, thank you for watching this video, and remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that it really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Take advantage and go there and buy yours, because you deserve to live with quality. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.